everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to create a blob storage. So for that you can go to the all services, or you can directly search in search bar. In this case I'm going with the all services. So search for the storage. So you can see there is a storage, and go to the storage accounts. So in the storage accounts click create. So coming to resource group, create a new resource group. Let us say storage group 1. Let's click OK, and coming to the name, let us give it as okay. So I'm giving some random name for the storage name. So here I'm for the performance I'm giving the standard, and for the redundancy change it to the local redundant storage. So basically the local redundant storage replicates your data 3 times within a single data center in the primary region, and it provides at least 11 nines durability of object over a year. So if you see you have other 3 options. Coming to the geo-redundant storage, it copies your data synchronously 3 times within a single physical location in the primary region using the LRS. Coming to the zone-redundant storage, it copies your data synchronously across 3 Azure availability zones in a primary region. So just remember, this is the availability zone, whereas coming to the geo, it's a physical. So that is one of the difference that you have to remember. Coming to the geo-redundant storage, in this case it copies your data synchronously across 3 availability zones in the primary region using the ZRS. That is zone redundant storage. So let me keep it as LRS, which is a cheap option right now. So I'm keeping okay. So as you can see, access tires, it's hot. So we want to frequently access this storage. That's the reason we have kept it as hot. For example, if you keep it as cold, then the data is accessed infrequently. Only then you can keep it as cool. So in this case it's hot. Let us leave it default. Can point. Okay, let me go ahead and create. So these are the default options. So our storage name is it's 1 to 4. Let's wait for the deployment. It's been creating. So once this is done, let's go ahead and create a container in which we'll be uploading some files. So it has been completed. Let's go to the storage account, and let's search for the containers. As you can see, we can see the container here. Let's go ahead and create a container. In this case, let us okay. So it's done. So I'm just keeping it default and going to create a container 1. So here you can upload your files. In this case, let me upload a picture. Let us say account 1, upload. So as you can see, the access style is hot, so we can access frequently. So this particular data can be accessed frequently. So this is how we can create it. So let's try to upload. Let's try to create another container. I think it's the private one. Let's go ahead and create one other container. So this container 1, and let's say it's container 2, and the previous one was subprivate. In this case, let us make it as containers. And let's go ahead and create. So let's go to the upload one. So even you can change your options here, but I was waiting for some other option which I'm not able to find right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and upload a similar image. And you can also find the URL for this. Let's go ahead and click it. So you can find the URL of this particular icon, and you can see the details related to that, and so on. And you can also delete this. In this case, I'm just deleting the containers. Yeah, so this is how we can create your container, and you can change your public access levels as I've done before. So hope you guys have understood the concept of creating containers and in the storage. So if you like the video, please click the like button below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys.